I'm a real bitch, real niggas fuck with me. If I ain't sent for you, bitch, then don't come for me. Yeah, I'm getting money, ho, I'm living comfortably. You not a G and took a LY cause you ugly. I'm petty, it's fun to me.
Hey loves, welcome back to my mom's channel. As you can see from the title below, I will be doing a 5 days of the week for school outfit video for you guys. Slaying the game, you know. But before we get into the video, I am not really focused on YouTube right now because I have school now, and I only did a lot of videos for you guys in the summer because I was out of school. So you really won't catch me on YouTube as much as I used to be because I'm in school and I'm really focused on education right now. You know, gotta keep the brain intact. But I do love you guys, and I still will be doing a little more videos for you guys popping in and out. So let's get into the video.
Okay, you guys, so here's outfit number 1. You want to tell them, Khalil?
Okay, so this shirt, first of all, guys, you have to ball on a budget, and we do believe in that in this family. Ball on a budget. You can be slaying the game with a $1 shirt. Like, honey, ball on a budget. Everything I have is on sale. It was on sale. So this was on sale, let me tell you. This shirt was from Charlotte Russe. I think it was like $1.99. It was really cute. Got it. These pants were from Ross. I think they were like $7.99. They are so cute. I love the design, the details. My heels were from Charlotte Russe. They were on sale too for $12.50. You know. Then I don't have to show my nails, but my nails look really cute.
Yeah, by the time this video goes up, you guys will see her nails probably today because this video is gonna go up. And what was I gonna say? Oh yeah, and I'm not putting the camera on the tripod, so I'm holding it. So if it's like, you know, it's because I'm holding the camera. So that's how it looks. And the pants kind of flare out at the bottom, as you guys can see.
These pants are called palazzo pants for any of you guys who are looking for them.
And the pants are kind of long. She was going to wear them with some sandals.
But the pants were dragging on the ground, so.
Yeah, so I told her just throw on the heels, and the heels don't look bad. And it made the pants not drag on the floor, as you guys can see.
It looks more dressy.
So you want to give me a 360?
360, guys. 360.
So that's the first outfit. And this outfit was less than, what, almost $10. Yeah, this is $10, y'all.
It's less than $20. Okay, you don't have to spend that much.
Because the shirt was like, what?
The heels were $12.50. The pants were like $7.99.
Oh, I forgot about the shoes. So, yeah.
The shirt was like $1.
So, probably about 20. 20 or less, you guys. 20
on a budget, so
or less. So, this is outfit number 2, you guys.
I love this outfit. Okay, so I got this jean jacket from Charlotte Russe. It was on sale. You know, jean jackets are very high. This jacket was originally, I think, $35 something, but then it was on sale for like $16.
I think it was actually $14. I'm not even sure.
I think it was $14.95, something like that. And this dress is from this store called Q. When I tell y'all need to go to this store. This dress was it was $6.99. But that's how most of their clothes are. You feel me? This dress, oh, it's so cute. They had one in yellow, like this part was yellow, and it was still blue and white. And they had one in black where it was still blue and white. It was really cute. I almost got the yellow one. But I got this dress from Q, $6.99. Shoes were from Journeys. I don't know how much they were, but I know they were from Journeys. Really cute.
I don't know. I think it was like 50. I can't remember.
Me too. I think they were like 50, 59.
And then she has like on her little ankle bracelets.
Yes.
With her supposed to be no shoe socks, but you can kind of still see the yellow peeking out, Khalil.
You can.
I mean the orange.
These are no show socks, but they still show on the top. It's fine.
Okay.
Really cute.
And she changed up her necklace.
My hair is in a bun. Really cute. Apple Watch on. Necklace. I got this from Claire's with my best friend. Shout out to Aubrey.
That one say, is that one you have the best and she has friends, or she has friends you have?
This one says BF on it. Best friend.
With a locket.
Yeah, so she has the same one. It's just in silver. It says the same thing. It's really cute. I love it.
So
me and my crew have one.
that outfit. I'm gonna do a 360.
Nails still on point.
So that is outfit number 2. So here's outfit number 3. Wanna go ahead, Khalil?
So my shirt was from Charlotte Russe. It was on sale too with the burgundy shirt. My pants were from Marshalls. They were $7.99. My shoes were from Payless. You know, Payless shoes, Payless. So my watch I got from Charlotte Russe. Yeah, I got these from Charlotte Russe. Same necklace, same earrings, same hair. Cute.
This was also in back to school clothing haul as well. Now she hasn't worn none of these outfits to school, so maybe next week or whenever she do wear them, I will post them like on Snapchat or whatever. So I think you wore the Pilato pants, right?
I have one of the Pilato.
She wore the Pilato pants because I snapped her. I think the first each one. Oh no, it was the blue one.
Yeah.
It wasn't that one.
Wait, what?
You didn't wear the maroon ones. Yeah, that was the outfit with the blue tank top you wore the first day with the blue jean jacket. Remember?
The first day of school?
Yeah.
Oh, on the first day, yeah, I wore the blue pants, but I have one of the Pilato.
Oh, I didn't see you in them. Okay, well, I will be snapping her when she wears this stuff, you guys. So, like I said, follow me on Snap.
And the red dress. I wore the red dress too.
You didn't? Oh, you sure did. Okay, well, yeah. She get on the bus, you guys, at 6:30.
So she's still asleep.
Sometimes I'm still asleep.
Else is still asleep, but I'm awake.
Sometimes I'm not. Some days, guys, I will post her in the morning time. So, like I said, if you follow me on Snapchat, yeah, you want to do a 360?
You see, she be asleep by 5 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, I'll be handling business, y'all.
360.
Oh, let me show them the back. The bow, I forgot.
Oh, yeah. It's a bow in the back.
It's a bow in the back. Pull your pants up a little bit, Khalil. Okay. Pull the shirt down so they can get a full view of the how the shirt looks. So it's like that, you guys. It has the cute bow in the back. So yeah, that's cute. And it was on sale. So I thought this was really, really cute. And like I said, this outfit probably total.
Okay.
I don't know because she's had those shoes for like 2 years from Payless. So I don't even remember how much they was. I'm sure it probably was on sale.
But
or buy one, get one free
The
maybe.
pants were like $7.99. The shirt was like $2. It was on clearance.
Yeah, and then I had a 40% off. And you guys, I went shopping the other day and I did post the coupon on Charlotte Russe. Like I said, y'all be sleeping on these sales, honey. You can get the sale and you get your discount. So thank me later.
I would say this outfit was below $15.
You want to show them your nails up close so they can see?
Yeah. Okay. I'm obsessed with my nails, guys. Look at these.
Oh, it's so okay. That's how her nails look. Just in case you guys wanted to see. That's how they look. It's actually colored acrylic, which is white. We use colored acrylic, you guys. If you guys didn't see on Snap, this is how her nails look. She has like, it won't focus, 3D Swarovski crystals, AB stones. Her baby finger is like stiletto. Focus. Hold up, you gotta be still clear so it can focus it. It's not focusing. Yeah, there it is. So you guys can see like her nails because she mentioned it. So those are her nails. So yeah,
I'm in love with my nails.
Next outfit. Outfit number 4. I'm sure you guys saw this in the back to school clothing video. If you haven't seen it, I'll link all of them down below where we did like back to school hauls and like a mini vlog of some of her clothes. And this was one of the outfits that she got from.
This outfit was from City Trends for like $10 maybe. Probably.
For the whole outfit.
Yeah, for the
and
outfit.
City Trends is like a really, really, really cheap store, you guys.
It is so cheap.
I don't recommend it for my son, but they have really cute stuff in there for Kalia. And the reason I picked this outfit out because it looks like
Gucci.
Like a Gucci inspired outfit. So you want to go ahead with Kalia?
So the outfit was from City Trends. The heels, once again, Charlotte Russe, $12.50. These heels are so cute. Like,
pull it up so they can see the whole shoe, Kalia. Turn it like that way. Okay.
My watch, on the other hand, I got for Christmas. If you want to see what I got for Christmas video, it'll be linked down below.
I'll link all of what they got for Christmas video down below. You guys want to see?
My necklace and earrings are from Charlotte Russe. I love these earrings and this necklace. It says baby on it. It comes with the girl necklace, like so it say baby girl. I got it from Charlotte Russe. It was really cute. This is my outfit. Hair down, hair details.
Want to give them a 360. So that is outfits number 4. Outfit number 5.
Last one. So, jean jacket, Charlotte Russe on sale. Apple Watch Christmas. Dress got from Rue 21 yesterday, along with the shoes from Journeys. Dress was like, I think the dress was like $16.99.
I really love these Vans. They have so many pair of Vans, y'all. It's sickening, but
These
Vans are really affordable, you guys. They're only like $65. So yeah.
I love these. Oh my gosh, I love them. Okay.
Yeah.
My shoes were like 50 something.
They was 65.
Oh yeah, 65. My dress was $16.99. Jacket was on sale. Hair still up. Same necklace. BFF.
Yeah. And if you guys haven't seen her room tour, I'll link it down below. And if you guys haven't seen, she did like a first day get ready with her, and my son was at the end, because y'all know my son don't like filming and stuff like that. I'll link that one down below as well. So that has been this outfit of the week. She's a sophomore, you guys. So yeah.
2 more years and I'm gone. Let me tell you.
Yeah, 2 more years and you're gone. Yes. Yes. She'll be a senior in 2 years. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me.
YouTube family.
Yeah.
Follow her on Snapchat. They always get first dibs on everything. Follow her on Instagram.
Oh, you get them a 360.
Oh, yeah.
So that is it for this video. Like I said, this was not on the tripod, so I'm sorry if the camera was moving. So yeah, we're about to get ready to go eat. Don't forget to follow my Snapchat for all like updates and stuff. And that's pretty much it for this video.
Bye.
Bye.
Baby, your picture perfect. Your smile, God made it perfect. Don't let nobody tell you different.